am so excited and I just can't flip and hide it. All of you wonderfully amazing people. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure that you press that little notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. You guys, I am going to be doing a really exciting houseplant unboxing for you guys on today. I purchased these babies from Houseplantshop on Etsy. I do know that they have a website. I purchased them a little shy of a week or so ago, and I got them on today. So the shipping was fairly quick. When they actually did ship them, they got here in like 2 days. So I'm super excited about that. And I've always been really nervous about ordering plants online, but I have been watching a slew of houseplant unboxing videos, and I said, you know what, let me just bite the bullet and let me take a chance. And I am going to order some plants online because there were some plants that I wanted that I could not find here in my area at any nurseries within like an hour or two radius. So I said, let me take a chance and order some of these babies online. And if I have a good experience, I'm going to be doing more of these. So again, it arrived in less than a week, okay? And it does say live plants there on the box. So hopefully they handled these babies with care. So we're going to see what is going on inside of this box. I'm really excited. Again, I will put exactly where I got these from in the description box down below if you guys are interested in going over and checking them out for yourself, okay? So let's go ahead and open these. I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting because I know when I watch these videos, I be like, look, just open the box, okay? Just open the box. Just doesn't. I can already see some stuff falling out, so let me be a little bit more careful because I don't want to damage anything. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, and I did open them from the bottom. I'm super excited. It looks like I have maybe 4 plants in here, but I only ordered 3. So just so you guys can see what's going on here in the box, this is how they were shipped. This is what they look like inside of the box. I'm really glad that they didn't put a lot of that popcorn stuff in here. I really don't too much like that too much, so I'm really glad that they didn't do that. So I'm gonna cut this open a little bit more because again, I don't want to damage anything, okay? Pulling it out of this box, so let me cut it some more. Okay, so here is the first baby here. They send them wrapped up in this like paper bag situation. So let's see which one this is. I know what I ordered, but I want you guys to kind of be surprised. And it looks like they maybe sent me an extra one. I'm not really sure. So we're gonna see what that's all about. Okay, this boy looks really good. Okay, so this is a rattlesnake plant, and you guys know that I'm not super good with my Latin names just yet, so I don't really have the Latin names down pat, but this is a rattlesnake plant, and I will put the Latin name on the screen. I'm gonna take this guy out here. Oh my God, so beautiful. I'm super excited. Okay, I think this is the rattlesnake plant here. The leaves look very good. There is a little bit of dryness on this leaf here, but other than that, this guy looks really good. So I'm happy with how he looks. So that's super exciting. So this is that plant. As you can see, looks really good, okay? Like I said, I was afraid to order these things in the mail because I did not know how they were going to arrive to me. So I have really high hopes for what's left in this box. So let's see what else we have here, okay? Let's see what this baby here is. And again, same brown paper bag here. Okay, I'm so excited. This is the one that I really wanted. After I ordered it, I did find it in a plant nursery that's about 45 minutes away from my house. But, you know, I had already ordered it, and plus I really wanted to see how everything is with shipping plants in the mail. So this right here is a string of pearls plants. Look at that, you guys. There is a lot of soil around up in there, so I'm gonna have to clean this guy up and maybe put him in a different pot. But I'm really excited for this. So this is the string of pearls here. So really excited about this guy. I've seen a lot of videos on the string of pearls, and I just love the way that they look once they mature. So I'm super excited about that guy. So I was expecting that one. I'm really excited to see what this forest plant in the box here is. Okay, so next up is this one. Let's see what this is. Really exciting. Okay, here is this one here. This is a prayer plant. Again, I am gonna put the Latin name on the screen. I did place an order for this one. He does have some damage, as you can see, but this type of stuff is to be expected if you're sending something through the mail. But there's a little bit of leaf damage there, a little bit more on this leaf. This one here is has some damage there on the leaves. It does look like there is a new guy that is about to unfold pretty soon right there in the very center. I'm not sure if you guys can see that right there. So, yeah, but it looks, other than the few damaged leaves, everything else looks really good. So, this is another guy that I'm really excited to have. Again, this is a prayer plant. I thought there was an extra plant in here, but it looks like it's just a lot of these brown paper bag things. I guess that was to give it more cushion or whatever. So yeah, I got a prayer plant, as you guys can see. I have a rattlesnake plant, and I also have a string of pearls, and there is a lot of soil in this string of pearls. So I'm definitely gonna have to repot this guy because he's just buried down there inside of all of that potting soil, and I don't want him to get stressed out being buried down here in all of this potting soil. So yeah, my experience, you know, seems to be a fairly good one, with the exception of a few damaged leaves on some of the plants. It got to me in less than a week, so that I am giving them an A+4. So yeah, if you guys are interested in shopping with Houseplantshop, you guys should definitely check out the link in the description box down below. This is not a sponsored video. They did not pay me. They did not send me these things for free. I paid my own money for these plants. So yeah, look forward to more of these unboxing videos to come. Let me know if you enjoyed this by giving this video a thumbs up, and it lets me know what type of content you guys are interested in seeing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.